Thinking about leaving Instagram. Whether you're taking a break from social media, protecting your privacy, or simply no longer need your account, Instagram allows you to permanently delete your account. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete an Instagram account in 2026. Before you continue, remember that deleting your Instagram account is permanent. Your profile, photos, videos, comments, messages, and followers will eventually be removed and cannot be recovered after the deletion process is completed. First, open the Instagram app and sign in to the account you want to delete. Then tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner and select Settings and Privacy to access your account management options. Scroll down and select Account Center. This section contains account ownership, personal details, and account control settings. Inside Account Center, select Personal Details. This is where you'll find options related to account ownership and control. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. This section includes options for deactivation and permanent deletion. Select Deactivation or Deletion and choose the Instagram account you want to remove. Instagram may also offer temporary deactivation if you prefer a break instead of permanent deletion. Choose Delete Account and continue through the prompts. Instagram may ask why you're leaving and request your password for security verification. Review the information carefully and confirm your deletion request. After confirmation, Instagram will schedule your account for permanent deletion. Instagram typically provides a grace period before permanently deleting your account. During this period, logging back into the account may cancel the deletion request, And that's how to delete an Instagram account. If you're certain you no longer need the account, following these steps will permanently remove it. So yeah, make sure you've backed up any important photos, videos, or information before completing the deletion process. Thanks for watching.